fam. I know I keep showing this particular version, but yeah, that's what she looks like when she gets groovy. Muscle truck mags. Someone is suggesting that she might do a flat down version or a slammed version. Could do with that one. I haven't changed the color on it, so I'm going to leave it that color there. So, yeah. But yeah, I think it would also look cool as a slammed version, because yeah, I also did my own version of a lift kit, so Q-tip surrounding those axles there. Wish I had a 3D printer. Do some other parts. I don't. 1/64 scale anyway. So I want to do that maybe a flat black or something. I love that style of truck.